They will turn others away from the Prophet and distance themselves as well. They ruin none but themselves, yet they fail to perceive it. 2:7. If only you could see them, they will be detained before the fire. Then we'll cry, "Oh, if only we could be sent back. We would never deny the signs our Lord, and we would surely be of the believers." But note, they only say this because the truth they used to hide will become all too clear to them. Even if they were to send back, they would certainly revert to what they were forbidden. Indeed, they are liars. 2:9. They insisted, "There is nothing beyond this worldly life, and we will never be resurrected." 30. But if only you could see when they will be detained before their Lord, He will ask them, "Is this hereafter not the truth?" They will cry, "Absolutely, by our Lord." He will say, "Then taste the punishment for your disbelief." 3:1. Losers indeed are those who deny the meeting with Allah until the hour takes them by surprise. Then they will cry, "Woe to us for having ignored this." They will bear the burden of their sins on their backs. Evil indeed is their burden. 3:2. The worldly life is no more than play and amusement, but far better is the eternal home of the hereafter for those mindful of Allah. Will you not then understand? 33. We certainly know that what they say grieves you, O Prophet. It is not your honesty they question. It is Allah's sign that the wrongdoers deny. 34. Indeed, messengers before you were rejected but patiently endured rejection and persecution. Our help came to them. Until our help came to them, and Allah's promise to help is never broken. And you have already received some of the narratives of the messengers. 3:5. If you find their denial unbearable, they build, if you can, a tunnel through the earth or stairs to the sky to bring them a more compelling sign. Had Allah so willed, He could have guided them all. So do not be one of those ignorant of this fact. 3:6. Only the alternative will respond to your call. Only the attentive will respond to your call. As for the dead, Allah will raise them up, then to Him they all will be returned. 37. They ask, why has no other sign been sent down to him from his Lord? Say, O Prophet, Allah certainly has the power to send down a sign, though most of them do not know. 38. As living beings roaming the earth, winged birds soaring in the sky are communities like yourselves. We have left nothing out of the record. Then to their Lord they will be gathered altogether. 39. Those who deny our sign are willfully deaf and dumb, lost in darkness. Allah leaves whoever He wills to stray and guides whoever He wills to the straight way. 40. Ask them, O Prophet, remember, If you were overwhelmed by Allah's torment, or the hour would call upon any other than Allah for help, answer me, if your claims are true. 41. No, He is the only one you would call, and if He willed, He could remove the affiliation that made you invoke Him. Only then will you forget whatever you associate with Him in worship. 42. Indeed, we have sent messengers before you, O Prophet, to other people who we put through suffering and adversity for their denial, so perhaps they would be humbled. 43. Why did they not humble themselves when we made them suffer? Instead, their hearts were hardened, and Satan made their misdeeds appealing to them. 4. When they became obvious to warnings, we showered them with everything they desired. But just as they became prideful of what they were given, we seized them by surprise. Then they instantly fell into despair. 45. So the wrongdoers were utterly uprooted, and all praise is for Allah, the Lord of all worlds. 46. Ask them, O Prophet, imagine if Allah were to take away your hearing or sight, or seal your hearts, who else other than Allah could restore it? See, O Prophet, how we vary the signs, yet they still run away. 47. Ask, imagine if Allah's punishment were to overwhelm you with or without warning, who would be destroyed other than the wrongdoers? 48. We have sent messengers only as deliverers of good news and warners. Whoever believes and does good, there will be no fear for them, nor they will grieve. 49. But those who deny our signs will be afflicted with punishment for their rebelliousness. 50. Say, O Prophet, I do not say to you that I possess Allah's treasures or know the unseen, nor I do claim to be an angel. I only follow what is revealed to me. Say, those blind to the truth equals to those who can see. Will you not then reflect?